The national saying of Costa Rica is Pura Vida. It means simple life or pure life. But in Costa Rica, it's more than just a saying. It's a way of life. Most streets in Costa Rica have no name or number. Directions are given by landmarks or distance from the city square. Costa Rica is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, with over 500,000 wildlife species. Over 10% of all butterflies in the world live in Costa Rica, and 20,000 different types of spiders. It also generates around 99% of its electricity using renewable energy, 80% being hydroelectric power,
Another waterfall.
wind, solar, and geothermal energy. The main crops are bananas, coffee, sugarcane, rice, pineapples, and beef. And here's a church. Almost all of the Catholic churches in Costa Rica faced west. This is so that people attending Mass face east, toward Jerusalem and where Jesus was crucified. Costa Rica is the hummingbird capital. There are 52 different species of hummingbirds out of the 300 hummingbird species found on Earth. Its currency has wildlife on it that you can easily spot around the country. A monkey, palm trees, sloth, butterfly, mushrooms, and common flowers. With Costa Rica only being about a 6-hour drive to the equator, the sun rises and sets at the same time every day. The sun rises on the Caribbean coast and sets on the Pacific coast, which means you can watch the sunrise on one coast, drive, and have time to catch the sunset on the other coast.